raw cobalt flux. Oh boy, you get a lot up here.
So after I left, Mercy decided she wanted to eat their bone crumbs. Bella. Did I say Bella? Yeah.
I need
They watch out for each other to like, oh, you're not getting my bone.
Any purple plant.
But Bella, she walks up to their food and she'll eat out of their dish and they'll walk away. They respect their elders.
From the railroad station, come straight. Don't go up into the building. Go to the railroad station.
I don't know if you can see past Mercy by the dog door, all the chewed drywall. Yeah, they chewed that drywall when they were a lot younger. Move your buttocks. Move your buttocks. Move your buttocks.
It's violet, some kind of purple stuff.
And this is just their pen that changes shape. This is... Hey, easy, it's just me. When we have to fence them off from the rest of the house, but still give them access to move around and to run outside. What are you doing, Bella? You better not eat too much. Sometimes Bella thinks she should be able to eat as much as them.
Oh, man,
and she will sit there and eat and eat and eat because they're eating.
A lot more than
but she's lost a lot of teeth. I think 7 or 8 teeth have been removed from 2 separate surgeries. It's Bella. It's Bella. Bella, you're getting bone crumbs in your fur, in your hair.
I won't be a jerk and take it.
La 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 la.
It's laying here on the ground.
How was that taste? How's your bones, girls?
Yeah, I could go.
How's your bones? Oh, you're not going to come to me now. Any other time I make that silly noise, they come running. Not with a bone.
Boy.
Bloop.
Oh, I got a Nuka-Cola one.
Oh, looks like Maya wants to lay down and eat her bone again.
Yeah.
All right, I'll lay another blanket down. Oh, you just laid on a bunch of bone crumbs. Ick.
Let me know when you get to the train station, and I'll come back
Do,
out
do,
there
do, do.
and show you where all this.
How is that? You like that, Bella? Oh my. Whoa. Wonder who's going to get done first. Is that good? Is that good, girls? Mmm. Yummy, yummy. There goes Maya using the paw to hold it. Wonder what they'd do if somebody came to the door right now. If they would ignore the knock at the door, or if they would run to the door and bark.
I think this my game is
Mercy.
lagging out.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Is that good? She's looking at me with her eyeballs, but not those teeth.
I have Speed Demon. I bought.
Oh, there goes Maya using the paw on the bone. That's a sign of intelligence. That is my little intelligent puppy.
Yeah,
They're both very intelligent.
Marsupial too.
Bella, the only intelligence she has is how to manipulate people. Huh, Bella? You're a good manipulator, aren't you, sweetie pie? Aren't you? You little manipulator. Okay. We're going to send this video. Well, I don't know if we can send it. We'll have to put it. So we got to let Grandma Franny and Sissy Lizzie to see it. Okay, long
Yeah.
enough.
Are you